Hey, this is Coach Bill 305, and thanks for watching again. So, today, what we are going to go over is my top 2 places that I like to go to get resupply. Or, you know, if you're in a rush and you're heading out the door, you want to try to get to the trail as fast as possible. These are my top 2 places that I like to go. Let's get right into it. Okay, so my first option that I'm going to go to is the gas station. For one, there is a gas station pretty much everywhere, like every couple miles. So this is a great option for those people that are through hiking or just trying to get some resupplies on the go. And when I'm going in here, I'm looking for a couple things. I'm looking for my fuel, my food, and some snacks and water. So right here we have some great options for some snacks. You just can take those snacks, put them in your pocket. Kind of pricey, if you ask me. And I'm also looking for some beef jerky because I like to have some protein while I'm out there hiking. And ramen. Oh, sorry. These are cup noodles. Cup noodles are a great option. You just add some hot water and an easy meal. But I like to have a little bit more protein. Coffee. Gotta have some coffee and ramen noodles. And this is what I'm gonna add my beef jerky to. The price is kind of high, $175. Not gonna pay that. But yeah, we got some water. I prefer the smart water bottles just because they're longer. And then I'm also looking for some fuel for my alcohol stove. The rubbing alcohol doesn't really work that well. It leaves kind of like a black soot on your pot. But heat works really well, and you can find this in pretty much every gas station. Alright, so we just left the gas station. The gas station was a success. They had a bunch of different things that we could use for a resupply. Yeah, I'm not saying I've been everywhere or seen every place, but the world is pretty crazy out there. And if you ever had a 10'11" guy grab you in the back of your neck, and if he asks you, you paid your dues, just remember what old Coach Bill 315 once said in a time like this. Yes, sir, the check is in the mail. Alright, so we have this Tupperware stuff that we could use, but we are looking for some freeze-dried bags. Where are they? Oh, we got our coffee. Let's go ahead and grab this. Alright, perfect. So, it looks like we got our freeze-dried bag. This is what we're going to put our ramen noodles in and cook them in. Need some. Alright, we got some ramen noodles. Check. If we wanted, we could get some mashed potatoes, but I'm not going to get mashed potatoes. Actually, any of this stuff right here would work because we are going to be cooking it inside our freeze-dried bag. Alright, cool. Not so many people over here. So, we have some smart water. So we can definitely pick up some smart water. And I'll do that right now. Could pretty much take any of that kind of stuff right there. And I like cookies, so I'm gonna get some cookies instead. Oh, perfect. Okay. Yeah, we got some beef jerky now. Ah, sweet. There she is, little Debbie. Let's get her. Alright, make sure we got everything. Alright, so we got the ramen. We have our freeze-dried zipper bags. And then we have our pepper jack, protein. Then we got our snacks and coffee and water. Perfecto. So there's two different kinds of alcohol we could get. We get the rubbing alcohol. Oh, perfect. Alright, so we found it. This one's at 91% alcohol, which is good. I mean, this stuff will burn, but not as well. Alright, so I'm looking at the automotive area, and I'm trying to see if I can find any heat, because that is the stuff that I prefer to use when using my alcohol stove. But unfortunately, they don't have any. It would be right behind me, but I don't see any.
1101.
Alright. Here's our chip.
Would you like the receipt?
No thanks. Alright, thanks. Alright, so I'm all set. Got my goodies. Got my resupply, or, you know, your food, your stuff, your random stuff. But, you know, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more videos similar to this, like getting your different tips, tricks, and, you know, watching some crazy adventures, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And thanks for watching. This is Coach Bill 315. I am out of here. Let's go backpacking. Woo! Yeah, buddy.